Well, howdy, motovloggers and YouTubers. Bruce City Rider coming at you. Going to take a little jaunt here on this rustic road. It's called Knob Hill. Here we go. Got my buddy Jim up here. Told the poor guy he had to pull over and wait because I forgot to get a shot of the sign, so I went back and got that, and now we're off. This is one of the better roads in my area. Got to be careful though, a lot of blind hills and curves. We got a beautiful day going. It's about 84 degrees on Tuesday, the day after Memorial Day 2018. We had a really nice Memorial Day also. We always go and visit the grave sites of my grandparents and then the parents of my couple of my brother-in-laws who are in the same cemeteries. And then we go out to lunch, and it's a tradition. We do it every year. Most of the family shows up. My one sister just moved to Colorado, so unfortunately she wasn't there. I got to get out there and visit her. She's in the, I guess, a suburb of Denver. If I see a number for this road, I will let you know what it is. But I did not see one on that sign. Woo! There's some pretty good hills here. I know they're not going to show up on the video like that, but believe me, there's some pretty good steep hills here. Whoa, look at that house. Holy crap. A 10-mile-per-hour curve here, and you never know what you're going to find gravel wise. There's a little bit here, not too bad. This house has been for sale for a while. Pretty cool old farmhouse. All right, well, if this is the same one, it's Rustic Road 36. we go with the snakies again. I've been on this road several times, but they're few and far between, so I by no means am familiar enough with this road to do any kind of a higher speed run. I imagine they have some pretty large shacks up in these hills behind the trees. It's a pretty exclusive area, I think. Nice house. All right, now it turns into Cranberry Road. Just freaking gorgeous out today. We're just out meandering around. Headed west for a bit, and then we're gonna go south, probably end up on Grass Lake Road, and then we'll probably head towards Lake Michigan. I usually have some kind of a route in mind when we go out on these little rides, little day rides as we call them. But today I really didn't even give it any thought. Told my buddy, just follow me, I'll find us some roads. He's from way up in Milwaukee, near Wauwatosa. All right, that was awesome. I'll come back at you a little bit later if I find some more nice roads. Catch you in a bit. This is State Highway 50 heading towards Lake Geneva. Lake Geneva is a big tourist area, a lot of money there. I don't think we're going to go into Lake Geneva today. I'm going to turn off somewhere east of there and start heading south. This is Lakeshore Drive on the east end of Geneva Lake. Thanks, bud. They got some shacks in here, man, like you wouldn't believe. I'm talking, you know, I don't know, $10, $20 million properties. This is a big lake. This is just a little bay. This is Party Cove over here when on a weekend, on a warm weekend day. This is just jam-packed, like a parking lot filled with boats. They're all anchored and swimming and drinking. and you can see this is just kind of a bay, and it goes way to hell down that way. Just beautiful. This is a state park over here. It's called Bigfoot Beach. And believe it or not, the beach part of the Bigfoot Beach is this little 5-foot area of sand right here. See, they even have it buoyed off there for the kids. But it's a nice park. They got camping in there. City on Highway B-boy. It's a pretty little country road. Nice tree-lined and curvy. Yeah, you can't beat this. Right in my own backyard. Just beautiful. All right, guys. Well, in an effort to keep this video from running on too long, I'm going to end it here. We're rolling through Richmond, Illinois. Cool little town. Got a nice leather shop here called Kelly's Leathers, and if you're into antiquing, they got a bunch of antique shops. So we're going to continue on with our ride here, but I'm going to end it for today. I hope everybody's having a great day, and I'll catch you on the next one. Remember to live hard and ride easy. This is the Brew City Rider signing out. Later.